Alright, here we go. Look, it's like this. Okay. Spirit Universe Facebook page. Quick video. Look, it comes to every 1% retard human, eggplant, slave DNA datas, tape recorders. Okay, look. Flatline, beep, flatline, beep, flatlining. Flatlining all the time by Yoctoseconds, continued process by Yoctoseconds. And that's it. So there you go. It's pretty much with every 1% retard human, eggplant, slave DNA data, tape recorders. Okay, so there you go. And anyways, just helps out, and that's it. Okay, so there you go. It's true.